Hello, this is Harry from Mass Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace battery to your iPhone 6s Plus cellular phone. Okay, let's start to do it. We need a set of screwdriver, especially Apple. Okay, because in this we have different type of screw. As you can see, these are star screws. We need a good screwdriver. Can't be any, should be exact, or you will destroy the screws. They're so much small in size. Okay, I'm losing one. Okay, here we go. After losing this, take this out. They are very small than previous versions. As you can see, these two put one side. Now, okay, with the help of this type of tool, I will try to take this skin out. This will hold your skin properly at the middle. I lock it down. Okay, and you can use a pick from guitar or any tool. Okay, but better plastic tool. As you can see, I make space. Now try to lose it up. It must be so much tight because they put some sort of glue in this, because I feel some glue. Okay, I already break this tool, so you have to be careful. Don't break the phone. Okay. Okay, here we go. We have some glue sort of thing. Okay, I take this out almost, I think. Okay, for battery you have to find this place, because underneath we have a connector, so I'm working on it. I'll try to lose these two screw from here. One and two. Okay, now I will try to take this out. Here I have one connector. I will try to take this out. This is the connector of battery, I think. Okay, here we go. Now for taking this battery out, almost you have to destroy this battery. Whenever you take it, it will break here and there, because it's very soft material. Okay, as you see, if I'm taking this, so take this out, and the same way you put back the battery back again and connect this connector and close it up. So this is the way how you can replace battery to your iPhone 6s Plus or 6 Plus, whatever version you have. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave us a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Bye.